In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom email with Siteground. Whether you're setting up a professional email for your business or a personal one that truly represents your identity, this process will help you get started with a custom email address. Let's dive into the step-by-step journey and make it as straightforward as possible. To start, you'll need to visit the Siteground homepage. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just open your browser and type in Siteground or follow the link to Web Hosting Perfection. Their website is user-friendly and welcoming, making navigation a breeze even if you're not a tech wizard. Once you're there, find and click the login button. If you're unfamiliar, this is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Logging in will take you to your client area, where you manage everything related to your hosting account. Once logged in, click on My Siteground account. This section is your home base for managing all the websites or services you have with Siteground. It's like a digital control room that houses all the essential tools you need to manage your online presence efficiently. Next, direct your attention to the Site Tools section. This is where the actual setup magic happens. Find the specific website you're working on and click Site Tools. Within Site Tools, you'll see various tabs on the left-hand side, and what you'll want to click on is Email. The Email tab is your gateway to creating and managing mail accounts associated with your domain. Once within the email section, move your cursor over to Accounts. By clicking on Accounts, you are now in the place where new email addresses can be created or existing ones managed. This is where you can start setting up the custom email account you've been eagerly waiting for. Look for the three-dot icon, usually on the right side next to the account options. Clicking on these dots reveals extra settings and options that are sometimes tucked away to keep the screen clutter-free. One of these options should be mail configuration. Selecting mail configuration will present you with some critical settings that you need to establish your custom email. And there you have it, you're well on your way to having your custom email set up with Siteground. With these steps, not only do you enhance your communication, but you also strengthen your brand's presence. Each email you send from your custom domain reflects professionalism and dedication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps anytime to refine or expand your email setup. Happy emailing!